Question. Uncle Raman and Aunt Sneha are visiting Zeenat and Mahesh on Children's Day. They give Mahesh rupees 50 and Zeenat rupees 10 more than Mahesh. How much did they give Zeenat? They are their uncle and aunt. Uh, she is Zeenat and he is Mahesh. Uncle and aunt give Mahesh rupees 50 and to Zeenat 10 rupees more than Mahesh. So they gave to the Mahesh rupees 50. So how much money they gave to the Zeenat? 50 rupees 10 more. So 50 rupees 10 more is equal to rupees 60. So how much did they give Zeenat? Rupees 60. Understand? This is for you. Encourage children to put coins in a money box at home. They will learn to save money. Beta, you all got the money from your parents, from your grandparents, or uncle aunt. Make this habit that you should put these coins and these notes in your money box. Piggy bank you all have at home. So always save your money and collect your money in the piggy bank. Next is page number 149. Ice Cream Delight Story Sums. These are the story sums we will do with the help of this picture. This is a ice cream cart. One uncle is there and these are the rate list of the ice cream. Choco bar is of rupees 30. Strawberry cone is of rupees 50. Vanilla cup is of rupees 10 and ice lolly is rupees 20. Okay. So now we will do these story sums. First number is Priya gives rupees 80 minus rupees 50 for what? Where if we subtract 80 from 50, rupees 80 from 50 we subtract, then what we got? 0, subtract 0, 8, 5 from 8, then we will got 3, rupees 30. Answer is rupees 30. So what is the rate of rupees 30? This is Choco bar. Priya gives rupees 80 minus 50 for Choco bar. That is rupees 30. Choco bar. We will write here Choco bar. That is of rupees 30. Next sum is Mahesh gives rupees 10 plus rupees 10 for 10 and 10 means if we add 10 and 10 then what we get? 20. And what is the which is the rate of 20? Ice lolly. It is the rate of ice lolly. Ice, I-C-E, ice, L-O-L-L-Y, ice lolly. Rupees 20. Next, Sana gives rupees 20 plus rupees 30 for 20 and 30. Now add 20 plus 30. 0 add 0, 0, 2 and 3, 5. It is of rupees 50. 20 plus 30, 50. 50 is for strawberry cone. So here we will write not rupees 50. We will write here straw, S-T-R-A-W, straw, B-E-R-R-Y, strawberry cone. That is of rupees 50. Okay. So these are the sums that we have done. We have write the answers. Now tick the ice cream that costs the most. Which is the costly in all these? Strawberry cone 50, Choco bar 30, vanilla cup 10, ice lolly 20. Strawberry cone rupees 50? Yes. Ice lolly of rupees 20? No. Choco bar is of rupees 30? No. Vanilla cup is of rupees 10? No. Which one is the most costly or which is the costly in all these? Strawberry cone is of rupees 50. So we have tick on this. Okay, now open the next page, math lab activity. It is beta coin notes you have seen here. Now next come to this you will read only. Now come to this, a value for me. Maya and Raghav have collected money to give to an orphanage. Tick who has collected more money. So we have to count the money that is collected by Maya or Raghav. First of all, we will add the money that is collected by Maya. 5 and 10, 15, 15 and 20, 35, 35 and 5, 40, 40 and 10, 50. Money collected by Maya is rupees 50. Now come to the next. Money collected by Raghav. Raghav collected 50 plus 5, 55, plus 20, 55 and 20, 75, 5, 80, 80 and 10, 90. Raghav collected rupees 90. So who has collected more money, rupees 50 or rupees 90 is more? Rupees 90 is more. So Raghav collected more money. So tick on this. Okay. On page number 150, a value for me, we will tick on the Raghav. Now beta come to the next page, worksheet. It is a worksheet. Page number 151. Mihir has rupees 60 rupees toy. Zubin 30. Mehak 40. Amna 25. Jenny 55, Jaspreet 85. Mihir has a bus of rupees 60. Zubin has a car of rupees 30. Meg has a doll of rupees 40. Amna has a ball of rupees 25. Jenny has a teddy bear of rupees 55. Riya has a one helicopter of rupees 65 and Jaspreet has a robot of rupees 85. Who has the toys that cost the most? Which is the costly in these all? 85. 85 is the highest number, na? So who has the costly toy? Jaspreet. We have write the name here, Jaspreet. Jaspreet, Jaspreet. Who has the toy that cost the least? Which is the least, or which is the least cost is rupees 25 in these all. It is less cost. So who has the less cost toy? Amna. So we will write here AAMNA, Amna. Now which toy will rupees 10 and rupees 5 buy? 10 and 10, 20, 20 and 5, 25, 25. Which toy is of 25? Ball. We will write here BALL, ball. Next, which costs less, the teddy bear or the robot? How much less? Robot is of rupees 85 and teddy bear is of rupees 55. Which one is the less cost? Teddy bear. So we will write here teddy, 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 BEAR, bear, teddy bear. And how much less? We will subtract this. 85 minus 55. 5, 5, 0 and 8 from 5 from 8 we will get 3. 30, rupees 30 less. We will write here rupees 30. How much do the car and ball cost together? Car is of rupees 30 and ball is of rupees 25. We will add these. 0 plus 5, 5, 3 plus 2, 5. Rupees 55. It is the answer. So we have done this exercise of chapter number 12. Beta, you have to do this book back exercise on your book. Okay. It is the about chapter money. Firstly, do this warm up exercise, then you will understand about the money. It is money. Take the rupees and note from your mother and help her to count that notes and coins, those coins and notes. Okay, remember one thing, a coin has two sides, head and tails. These are all are the coins, these are the Indian notes. These are the Indian coins and these are the notes. And one more thing is, we use this sign for the rupees. We use this sign for the rupees. And we use different type of currency to pay something. Like we use coins and notes together to pay for the something. Like in this, if you want to buy a kite, you have to buy, how much you have to pay? You have to pay rupees 15. And if you have to for rupees 15, you, if you want to pay rupees 15, what do? You have to pay one coin of rupees 10 or of a note of rupees 10 and one coin of rupees 5 or one note of rupees 5. We use different type of currency to pay for the different things. All the notes and coins have their own value. Okay, so we use this. So beta, you have to do this book back exercise on your book in neat and clean handwriting and learn all aspects of money. Page number 150 also you will do, and page number 151 on your book also. This is your math lab activity. This lab activity you have done in your math practical file that we have already done. In this, aim to put together coins and notes to get a given amount. You will need coins and notes of different denominations, wrappers or cartoons of biscuits, box of pencils, sketch pen, soap, box of crayons, toothbrush, toothpaste, juice, coffee, salt, antiseptic cream, and so on. First step is form groups of 5 students each. Place all the material on the teacher's table. The teacher will give one wrapper to each group. The first group puts together coins and notes that match the price on their wrapper. They do this in two different ways. Soap is of rupees 55. Okay, if you want to buy a soap of rupees 55, what you will do? You give 5 notes of rupees 10 and one note is of rupees 5. Or you can give one note of 50 and one note is of rupees 5. The other groups repeat step 3 and like this you will do so on. Okay, so this is the your chapter number 12 book back exercise that you will do on your book. Next day we will, in the next lecture we will do the sums on your maths FNB. Okay beta, thank you and goodbye.